How to remove pinned comment on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can remove a pinned comment on TikTok. So simply open up TikTok on your phone. After that, simply open up a video that you have pinned a comment in. So I'm going to open up this one, go to the comment section, and then simply tap and hold on the comment that is pinned. So wait for a few seconds, let the TikTok comment section load it. So I'm going to give it a few more seconds, and there we go. So now simply click and hold the comment, and then from over here simply click on unpin comment. Now when you click on unpin comment, this comment is gonna get unpinned, and then you will be able to unpin this particular comment. So as soon as the comment is unpinned, now you guys have successfully unpinned the comment from your video. You guys can unpin as many comments as you want, and you guys can also pin a comment if you want. This is very easy, and if you don't see this option, you guys can of course always go onto the Play Store and then just simply check if your TikTok is up to date. So over here you can see my TikTok application is up to date. But if you don't see this option, well then you guys can just simply update your TikTok application, and then you guys will be able to see this particular option. And again guys, it is very easy, only takes a few minutes. So again, if this video helped you out guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Till next time, goodbye.